The 2022 DISCA Excellence in Construction Higher Education Project Award goes to Component Assembly Systems for their work at the Princeton University Residential Colleges in Princeton, New Jersey. 8 multi-story buildings make up Princeton University's new residential complex, and Component Assembly Systems was involved with the project from the start. Once the majority of the structural steel framing was completed, Component was responsible for erecting the light gauge framing throughout all of the buildings. They followed this by sheathing all of that framing. Much of this work took place many stories up and required extensive and elaborate scaffolding, as well as boom lifts. The sheer quantity of materials needed, as well as the number of workers required to install it, was staggering.
This project was done during the height of the COVID pandemic. It caused, at times we didn't have enough manpower on site because their guys are out with COVID. And one of the biggest issues it caused was material lead times. Our job foreman and our on-site PM, we were ordering materials 2 months ahead of time just to get it there in time because of the lead times.
Despite worker and material shortages, Component was able to complete their work on time, allowing the exterior finish work to take place. Component's contributions to the project didn't end there. They also installed all of the interior framing, insulation, and drywall in the building's hallways, common rooms, and over 1,000 dorm rooms. All told, they installed approximately 3 million square feet of gypsum wallboard. With most of the drywall work complete, Component crews began installing what amounts to acres of Armstrong wood panels and ceilings. These are found throughout all buildings on all floors. It took over 20 tractor-trailer loads of wood plank material to complete the job. It's quite literally everywhere, and its installation had to be absolutely precise. Both the quantity and quality of Component's work on the residential complex was incredible. Not to mention the fact that most of it was accomplished during the peak of the pandemic.
It was a very challenging project, a lot of teamwork, a lot of coordination, but the end product made it all worth it. When you see what you did, it makes you feel proud. It's beautiful on the outside, it's beautiful on the inside. It's a wonderful job.
Yeah, the Princeton University project was one of the largest jobs that we've done here in New Jersey for Component Assembly Systems. It's the largest project that we've ever done outside of our Atlantic City market. It was a long process, from pre-planning to construction, wrapping up, a lot of hard work by the entire team, from estimating through project management, all of our different levels of field management. Did an excellent job. Everybody, top to bottom, is very, very, very pleased with the project.